How is it all knowing? Oh, because from this only the dream state came. From this deep sleep state only the waking state came up. So everything that is in my waking state has come from there. Yes, it is all knowing. That deep sleep consciousness, the collective deep sleep consciousness, is all knowing. All my vasanas are there, all my good qualities, my gunas are there. Everything is there. It knows completely, it knows everything. So, all knowing. Very clear? Antaryami. Antaryami, it is the inner controller. So, why are Dvaitam path people taught to pray to Ishvara? Because finally, what controls all your suffering? It's nothing but your own seeds of gunas and vasanas. Gunas are all my good qualities, vasanas are all my negativities in the seed form. Yes. This is what determines how I look at life. Two people, both born in the same family, to the same parents, going through exactly the same situation along with the parents. One kid is very strong and one is very weak. The weak one keeps suffering. The strong one doesn't take it so seriously and is very happy-go-lucky. Why? What is the difference? The difference is not this environment. The difference in the two is the seeds, the gunas and the vasanas that are embedded at the deep sleep consciousness level. Yes, that is what controls how this person reacts and how this person reacts to the same situation at home. Very clear? Antaryami, inner controller. Next is Esha Yonihi Sarvasya. It is the source of all. So this requires a little more in-depth understanding. Source of all. This is very experiential. What I'm telling you is not theory. Please do not take anything said in these sessions as theory that I have to just believe. Not at all. Experientially, you can see it very clearly if you do a little bit of self-inquiry, a little bit of self-exploration. So how will you see that it is the source of everything? First, you cultivate this habit of telling yourself in the night, just before going to sleep, that I, the awareness, do not sleep. Only the body-mind sleeps. This will start breaking your false belief that you have carried all your life, that I am the body-mind and I sleep. This is a false belief and this needs to break. So first you remind yourself that I, the awareness, do not sleep. Then you lie down in bed with that recognition. Yeah? When you lie down in bed, let dream start, let sleep happen, whatever is happening. You stay aware. See, I, the awareness, do not sleep. Only body needs rest. Only mind needs rest. So, experientially, you can work on yourself and see that you are the source of it all. And when you master this, you go into the deep sleep state and then you come out of the deep sleep state, you will see that from the darkness of deep sleep, I happens. From that sense of I, the dream space element is projected. You have dream ears, you hear some dream music or dream images talking to each other. Dream air element is projected. You have a dream skin. You start experiencing dream touch. The dream fire element is born, and you can see in the dream. Fire is equal to sense of sight. So dream eyes are there. The dream world is projected. There is dream water element. There's dream tongue, and you relish your dream pizza or dream paratha. Yeah. All your projections are born from this darkness of deep sleep. You start seeing, oh, dream earth element is born. I have a dream nose. You smell and say, oh, very bad smell. What is this smell? And this whole thing is happening all in your dream. I'm just giving examples of your own dream, becoming aware of your own dreams. Nothing is really born. These are all appearances. Yeah, just like the blueness of the sky. In that dream body, the dream karmendriya, the organs of action are born. Hands, feet, speech, organs of reproduction and evacuation. In the dream body, there is apana, prana, vyana, udana, samana. The pancha pranas are born. In that dream body, there is the dream mind, there's dream intellect, there's dream memory, dream ego. You're fighting with your spouse in the dream. Yeah, you can actually experience the dream ego. You can actually experience all this. You have 19 mouths of Gyanendriya, Karmendriya, Panchaprana, mind, intellect, memory, ego, all in the dream state itself. From that dream state, you come to the waking state. All this is born first in the dream state and then projected into the waking state. In your dream state itself, you saw earth, water, fire, ether, air, sun, heavens, all the 7 limbs. Your whole world is born. So in summary, the waker along with the waking world and the dreamer along with the dream world are projected from Ishvara. Yes, so it is the source of all.